Hello, it's Sony Photographer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to update the Sync 3 in the 2016 Mustang from version 1.0 or 1.1 to 2.2. So I downloaded the update file from the Mustang6g forum. My model is the version without the navigation package, so you have to make sure to download the proper files. When I was looking for files, the Dropbox link was taken down, so there was another member who posted a link from his Google Drive. I'll post a Mustang6g thread so you can look at it and see what other people are experiencing. So far, everyone's experiencing like successful results. So that's why I decided to do it. So the first step is to download the zip file and then you unzip it. There are two-part files. The first part, you load it to your USB drive and then you plug it into the USB. So you first turn on the car. System to boot up. It is suggested to not have anything plugged in your system. None of the USBs are being used, so you have to plug it into the internal USB. So after you plug it in, it should recognize and it will start updating right away. So during the update process, you have to have your car on. I need to go take care of some stuff, so I'm going to be driving around, so it's a perfect time. Apparently it takes about 15 to 20 minutes, so we'll see how long it takes. I'm going to be, just doing some other stuff while this is updating. So usually I have my GPS, either I put my phone on here or over here, or when I had my old phone, I had my magnetic mount plate here so I could use this magnet mount. I stopped using the magnetic mounts because I don't like to stick stuff directly to my phone. So having Android Auto is going to be amazing. I can't wait for it. So for now, I'll just be here. I don't want to block the screen. I know the way anyway.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so it says that the update has finished and removed the USB, and then the next time you start the car, the update will apply. So now I can just remove the USB, and then I have to go get out the car and take care of something. And when I come back, I will delete the files on this USB and then load the part 2 files. And then on the way home, that will be updating. And the second update process takes much shorter. So maybe I might just wait for it before I start driving home so I could use Google Maps. But yeah, so the update finished. Like I said, it took about 15 minutes. Alright, so I'm back with the first part of the update. So I'm gonna plug in my USB to the computer and transfer the second part of the files and delete the first ones. So I have my laptop here and I'm gonna delete the first files, just paste the second part. Alright, so it's finished. Just gonna turn on the car. Let's wait for Sync to boot up. I'll just turn off my Bluetooth so it doesn't reconnect. So I'm just gonna plug the USB again and then it's gonna start updating. So I might just wait for this update to finish. I've also not done this kind of videos in a while. Put the camera on the headrest mount and just drive it around and just talk about random stuff. If you want to see this kind of videos more often, let me know. I haven't been able to do much autocross or any kind of track racing. One of the reasons is because it's very expensive, and also I've been quite busy like the Q4 of this year. So next year when I switch to my summer tires, doing autocross. Last time my autocross was recorded by my dash cam, and my dash cam has like terrible microphone. I found out very late, way later than my return period. Doing an autocross with this camera is gonna be awesome because I'm gonna have 4K footage of it. It's gonna look really nice and clear. I could also borrow my friend's GoPro and get some different angles. Also, before leaving my house, I grabbed my USB Type C to A so I can connect my phone to my car. As for Android Auto, you do need to be connected by cable, since it like your phone streams a lot of the stuff to your car's entertainment system. Gotta make sure I'm up to date on Android Auto. Also, if you guys didn't know, Android Auto has a mobile interface, so you could use the Android Auto UI on your phone and just put it on a mount. So it will not show notifications, and it will just show your Google Now cards, and you can use your similar apps. Whatever you have on Android Auto, you can use it here as well. It's pretty much like a mirrored experience. This is where my music is. I have Google Music. I have your phone, you can call people, and then Google Maps. I can't wait to use Google Maps in Android Auto because I really don't want to have my phone up every time. I don't like touching my phone while driving. There you go. So update finished. So I can unplug the USB and then turn off the car. You open the door, make sure it turns off. You also have to wait for some time for the car to turn off. Alright, so the car has been off for a few minutes. I'm gonna turn it back on. The first time it boots, it will be like a black screen for a little bit. Since it's booting after a major OS update. Don't be, we're too worried. I also have never noticed that. That might be new. So to set up Android Auto, you go to settings and then you swipe Android Auto preferences, enable, so you connect your phone with the USB. You have to have a phone that's compatible with Android Auto. And in here it says sync services will be, some of the sync stuff will be replaced, so you do continue. Okay, and then you agree with Google's usage, blah blah blah, avoid distractions, and boom. So you have maps here, you can jump straight into maps. So now Android Auto is asking for permission, you accept, and then you continue, and boom. Oh man, this is awesome, finally. So I can put my phone away and just enjoy this experience. Okay, music is working. I'll pause that for now. Does the voice button work? Navigate home.
Sure, home. Drive. You are on the fastest route despite some traffic. You should reach your destination by 13:44.
What we do here is go back.
Remind me to take my camera and my computer home when I get home.
Your reminder for home is ready. Take my camera and my computer home. Do you want to set it?
Yes.
Okay. Reminder saved.
So the update is successfully finished. Installed, I already drove home. And everything seems to work normally. The backup camera works fine. I had no issues, no errors. Android Auto is great. There are like tons of videos out there about Android Auto, but if you want to make a video testing a bunch of its use cases, definitely let me know. Very happy with it. Here's a reminder that I set by voice to take my camera and my computer home.